In the next 15 minutes, you're going to build your first AI chatbot from scratch. No coding, no technical skills required. By the end of this video, you'll have something you can be proud of. And my creator is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. I'll see you at the end of the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Telly, and this channel is all about teaching how to build AI chatbots and assistants, even if you never coded before. Today is day one, your very first chatbot. So let me show you what we're going to be building today. Today we're going to be building a personal productivity assistant, a casual, upbeat coach who can help plan your days and keep you motivated. Before we get started, there's a few things you're going to need. A ChatGPT Plus account. That is a paid tool for about $20 per month. You're going to need about 15 minutes, and that's it. If you don't have ChatGPT Plus, you can still follow along and see how this works. And then when you're ready, you can build it. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to chatgpt.com and log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to, it says GPTs. Under that, click the Explore. Once you get inside Explore GPTs, you're going to go to Create in the upper right corner, click Create. And it's going to take you to a Create panel and a Preview panel. We're going to work in the Create panel area, and the Preview panel is going to be what you'll see once you start building your custom ChatGPT. So the first question that ChatGPT asks is, what would you like to make? For this tutorial, we're going to be building a personal productivity assistant. So I'm going to put that in the interface here and enter. If you notice, ChatGPT is asking you if you want to call it a certain name. I'm going to stick with the name that I originally had, which is Personal Productivity Assistant. You can name yours whatever you prefer. Okay, next thing is going to ask you if it wants to create a profile for your image. I'm going to say yes to that. I'm going to allow ChatGPT to create a profile image for me. You could do that if you want. And also we're going to change the profile later if you prefer. Enter. Okay, as you can see here, it's generating a profile picture. Okay, it created a picture for us. I'm going to keep this picture the same for the sake of this tutorial to keep it simple. And also you can change it later if you prefer. Okay, for the next step, we're going to put in a prompt to describe how we want our custom ChatGPT to behave. So I have a prompt here that I'm going to use. Basically, I put, you should be encouraging and supportive like a friendly coach, break down big tasks into small, manageable steps, and always start by asking what the user wants to accomplish today. Use simple language and occasionally add motivational quotes. So that's going to be the prompt for this custom GPT. You can use that prompt if you want. Okay, next step. If you look over to the preview panel side, you see the name of your custom ChatGPT. You can see the personality, a friendly motivational assistant for planning and progress. And you're going to have some conversational starters right here. So now let's test this chatbot out. All right, for testing this chatbot, I'm going to put in the following prompt. I have so much to do today and I'm feeling overwhelmed. So let's see how ChatGPT responds. Click enter. Look at that. I'm really glad you said that. Feeling overwhelmed usually means you care. That's a good place to start. Let's slow this down together. See, it's giving you steps, step by step, on how to manage your day. It's already acting like a personal assistant. Okay, next I'm gonna ask another question. Help me plan my day. Help me plan my morning routine. Enter. It's breaking down step by step, giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps, and also giving you a time, a routine to help you plan your morning. Okay, the next step is optional. We go to the Configure tab, click on that. And if you notice here, the name, you can change the name to whatever you want. You can also change your profile picture if you want, just by uploading a photo. You go to description, you can change the persona. If you want to add in additional instructions, you can change that or add. If you have a knowledge base that you have your own personal files, you can upload your own personal files to allow it to respond to your questions. And there's other capabilities down here that you can use, such as web searching, Canvas, image generation. But for now, let's just make sure we have conversational starters, which you can also change or add. So next step, now that you have created a custom ChatGPT, you want to go to the upper right corner where it says create and click create. That's going to allow you to save your custom ChatGPT. And it's going to give you 3 options. You can keep it private only for yourself. You can share with anyone with the link, or you can add it to the GPT store. For now, I'm just gonna keep it to private, only for me, and I'm gonna click save. And that's it. You just built your first AI chatbot. To use your AI chatbot, you wanna go back to the home page. Under GPTs, explore, and click on which one you want to use. I have a few here for training purposes, but that's how you go back to use it, and you can type in whatever you want and you can use your ChatGPT. All right, so here's what's next. You can build your own ChatGPT, your custom ChatGPT. It doesn't have to be a personal productivity assistant. It could be something that you actually want to use. It could be a workout planner. It could be a study buddy. It could be a cooking assistant. Use it for a few days. See what you like, see what you don't like, see what you want to change. But for now, you've already taken the first step. You're officially an AI builder.
Good job! You just built your first AI chatbot. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of chatbot you built. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Now go build something awesome.